earth fault protection. Restricted earth fault protection. Restricted earth fault protection of alternator or generator. Screen is visible to you? You can see the diagram. Okay. Diagram दिसते का सगळ्यांना? Restricted earth fault protection. Primary delta connected, secondary star connected. Okay. Then CT connections on primary side. CT connections on secondary side. Relays connected on primary side. Relays connected on secondary side. In restricted earth fault protection scheme or earth fault, earlier which we have discussed comes under unrestricted, म्हणजे कोणत्याही प्रकारचं रिस्ट्रिक्शन नसताना whenever there is earth fault relay operates. Here we have incorporated some scheme or condition, based on that relay will operate. Okay, you can see in this secondary side phase B, fault F1, fault F2, current flowing through relay I2, ground current IG. Okay, so if fault F1 occurs which is beyond transformer, तुम्ही आता ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या बाहेरचा फॉल्ट आहे F1, okay, which is beyond transformer, and because of this fault F1, current I1 and current I2 flow through CT. So difference current I1 in downward direction, current I1 in upward direction, I2 in downward direction. Resultant current will flow through CT secondary. Okay, and that current flows through relay R dash, which is negligible and which will not operate R dash. Okay, but म्हणजे इथे काय झालं की whenever there is a fault outside the transformer, not generator, we are discussing transformer. Okay, so make this correction. You should know this, तुमच्या लक्षात यायला पाहिजे. Okay, so whenever there is a fault outside the transformer primary winding, no current will flow, means negligible current will flow through R dash, and when negligible current will flow through R dash, normally relay will inoperate. Okay, so this is a restriction. But if fault occurs inside the winding, that is F2, then current I2 flows through CT secondary and I1 is negligible. So difference between I2 and I1 is more compared to previous case, and this current is sufficient for relaying operation, and relay R dash operates. Okay, so this way we can differentiate between the restricted and unrestricted earth fault protection scheme for protection of transformer. Okay, now this is a protection scheme or gas actuated relay for incipient type of faults. There are certain limitations for differential protection, as we have discussed: Merz price protection, impedance matching, CT ratio error, then short circuit condition, identification between the short circuit condition and surge overloading, saturation of flux. Certain difficulties are always there associated with the differential protection scheme. So other protection scheme that is provided to the transformer by gas actuated relays. Gas actuated relays. So gas actuated relay, especially Buchholz relay. Buchholz relay. So this, are you able to see the diagram? So normally transformer, this is showing you the position of the Buchholz relay in transformer arrangement. So transformer, and this is a pipe which we call it as a pipe between conservator and tank of the transformer, and Buchholz relay is inserted in between the pipe from conservator, from transformer tank to conservator. Normally the inclination is 9 to 10 degrees. Okay, so Buchholz relay, it is a gas actuated relay which is provided, or location of Buchholz relay, it is as shown in the diagram. Then as far as the construction of Buchholz relay is concerned, you can see this diagram. Construction. Construction of Buchholz relay. It is having two different types of protections, or two different types of provisions made. One is alarm system and another is a trip system. So this is the alarm system provided, this is a trip system provided. Now this relay is inserted in between the tank and conservator in pipeline. So this is a from transformer tank, this is way to conservator, and this is relay inside. Here you are having this particular switch for opening, closing alarm circuit or trip circuit. This is called a mercury switch. Now you know that mercury is a metal, na? Barabar, na? Mercury is a metal, it is a conductor. So and it is in liquid form. It is in liquid form. Okay. So these are the mercury switches. So whenever you are having this fault or abnormal condition, the mercury switch, they get tilted. These contacts are inside this vessel in which mercury is filled, and when this particular switch get tilted because of the high pressure of transformer oil rushing towards the conservator, or because of the fault a high pressure gas is generated, because of that this get tilted, and because of tilting the mercury comes in contact with the NO contact of alarm circuit or NO contacts of trip circuit. So NO becomes NC and trip circuit will get closed. So this type of construction is provided during normal operating condition. Mercury position inside this switch is such that it will not bridge the gap between the contact, but when there is abnormal condition, when the switch get tilted, it bridges the gap and make the connections. Normally what happens, this conservator is provided for expansion and contraction of transformer oil. So whenever there is a incipient type of fault, or whenever there is a huge short circuit inside the transformer, now when there is a interturn fault or incipient type of fault, what happens? Slow development of gas is there, overheating of oil is there, and oil rushes to the conservator. So this is not a serve fault condition, but it is a abnormal condition, and in that case only alarm circuit get closed and you will receive the alarm that there is incipient type of fault developed inside the transformer. Okay, but when you are having this huge short circuit inside the transformer or serve fault, so huge heat develops and oil get decomposed into the gas, especially the hydrogen gas. 70% of contents of oil decomposition is hydrogen gas. Light in weight, this high pressure or pressurized gas rush from tank to conservator and it closes, it stays this particular mercury switch, this hinge. A hinge असं वर दाबल्या जाईल, मर्क्युरी जो आहे तो ह्या दोन कॉन्टॅक्टच्या मध्ये येईल, सर्किट विल गेट कंप्लीट. इथे सुद्धा ते हिंज आहे, दिस हिंज विल गेट पुश in upward direction, mercury contact मध्ये आला की relay will get closed. So here you will get closing of trip circuit and relay will operate to close the contact of circuit breaker initiating circuit, and circuit breaker will operate to isolate the transformer. So important that design of flap with hinge, this flap and float with hinge. So that mechanical operation depends upon the pressure of oil or gas rushing from transformer to conservator. If it is low, this upper float will get operated, get pressed upward, and alarm circuit will be there. If heavy rush is there, this hinge, this particular float hinge, this flap will get operated and will come in horizontal position, so that mercury will come in contact with the trip circuit contact and trip circuit will get closed. Okay, the Bocause relay protection is provided for high range transformer more than 500 kVA. जास्त कॅपॅसिटीच्या ट्रान्सफॉर्मरसाठी we normally use Bocause relay protection. There are certain merits of this protection scheme or advantages of this protection scheme. This is very simple protection scheme provided compared to the differential protection scheme. तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल. आणि fault detection is very fast and reliable operation is possible. Some disadvantages are also there. This is applicable only for oil filled transformer because of a conservator, and this such type of construction is only in oil filled transformer. आणि जर फॉल्ट ऑइल लेवलच्या खाली असेल टँक मध्ये तरच फॉल्ट डिटेक्ट होईल. फॉल्ट जर ट्रान्सफॉर्मरच्या वरच्या भागात असेल जिथे ऑइल फील्ड नाहीये, इट विल नॉट गेट डिटेक्टेड बाय द Bocause relay. So